Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday. We have the doctor's appointment in 10 minutes, but we've just come down to the car and the car doesn't start. So the lights still turn on, my screen still turns on, the aircon turns on, but it just doesn't start. So I don't know how we're getting to the doctor's. I might have to call them and cancel it, which is so annoying. Okay, our neighbour jump started the car for us. And so far it's starting, so hopefully it starts when we have our doctor's appointment. I rescheduled it for like 1:45 or something. So hopefully it starts when we go back down. Otherwise, we're gonna need a new car battery. Okay everyone, will the car start? Obviously we're not driving like this, but I'm checking the car starts before I put everyone in the car. Perfect. We have one very grumpy baby, and I never want to see a chicken puff again. We also have a big fat fruit salad. Oh my gosh. We are obviously back from the doctor and the car did start both times. First go, which is perfect. Ameerah just was having a checkup after her sickness and she is all good, fine. Just has a little bit of a, just has a little bit of a runny nose and cough, but the doctor said that will go in a few days. Don't do that to your face. And then Nisa had her vaccinations and literally didn't even feel it go in. Was completely oblivious because she was too busy worrying about how much it was going to hurt. So the doctor, the nurse, whatever, just put it in. Nisa had no idea.
And I take off my bandage.
Oh yeah, she ripped the bandage straight off. Didn't even let it stay on her skin for 30 seconds. The nurse put it on and Nisa said no thanks and ripped it off.
Yeah, because I didn't like it. Because I didn't like the orange color. I only like the skin color.
And then I have just spent, and then we came home, Ameerah went straight for a nap. And I spent the whole nap cutting up the fruit and making chicken puffs, and I never want to see another chicken puff until next Ramadan. Because seriously, just cooking the chicken is fine. It's cutting the pastry, putting the stuff inside the pastry, folding it, putting it on the tray. So annoying, hate it. Okay,
purple, red.
You're also going to join. Oh goodness gracious.
Oh my god, you're squishing me. You're squishing me. Stop putting your foot on me.
So yeah, never want to see a chicken puff again. Thank goodness we only have 4 days left, I think.
No.
And I'm not making any more chicken puffs, even if they run out. Right?
Right.
Right. Okay.
No.
Let's play until Bubba get home because I am done. Can you see her false tooth? Crazy girl. Crazy girl. She's just had some food and now we're having some laughter.
No. Papa is the first one because he's the adult. Good job, Papa.
Taste nice.
Let me taste the chocolate.
Oh my. Taste.
Wow, so good music. I love it.
Nice.
The guys want to see good one. Cardiff, if you want a bit of, like, pop house. Like, the boom sounds like in there. Because I wanted them in it. I have.
Shower has been had, hair has been washed, and I'm feeling good, fresh, fantastic. I just fed Ameerah. Nisa and Sohaib are asleep. I think it's like 10 p.m, which honestly, groundbreaking. It's so early. Last night I think I went to bed at like 1:30 in the morning, which is not okay. Because as we know, I've been very tired recently, so today I'm actually going to sleep early. I say that, I'll get into bed and I will be like wired. I won't be able to sleep. But also, the footage that you have just seen, the video that you have just seen was from Nisa's iPad. But I thought it's so cute, I'm just going to include it in here anyways, because we were all playing the ukulele, we were eating cookie dough wrapped in like cinnamon dough, so good. So that was really cute, really fun. Tomorrow my mum is coming, and then my mum actually has caught Ameerah's cold. She went to the doctor today. Yeah, so she has caught Ameerah's cold, but she's gonna come over tomorrow. I don't know what we're gonna do. I really need to fold my washing, so honestly we might just sit here and talk while I fold my washing. Anything else interesting? I don't think so, but I think that is it from us today. What we do? Oh yeah, my car wouldn't start in the morning. I literally forgot. That feels like 3 weeks ago that happened. Car wouldn't start, we jump started it, it finally started, we ended up going to the doctor. It was a busy day today actually, but that is all from me. I'm going to let my hair dry a little bit before I hop into bed. I'm going to get into bed and I'm hopefully going to have a good night's sleep. Fingers crossed. But first I need to quickly edit this, upload it, and then we'll be done. But I'll see you guys again tomorrow.